3, close your legs. 4, yes. Slam it hard. You got it? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Push through. 9, slam it hard. 10, legs up. Lean back, lean back. Hold the ball up. Hold your legs out. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. 6, 7, 8. Pull through. 9, 10. Other side. You got this. Push through, baby. Nope. Make a circle and slam it really hard. 1. Hard. 2. Go, baby. Go. 3. 4. This is round 2. Let's go get them. 4. Slam it hard. 5. 6. That's what I'm talking about. Very hard. 7. 8. 8. You got it. Let's go. Come on. 8. Slam it hard. 9. 10. Let's go. Lean back. Legs up. Come on. Find it. Bring them up. Use that core. Let's go. 1, 2. Keep them high. 3. Starting from 1. You got this. 5, 4, 3, 2. Go get them, baby. Lift them legs up. Use that core. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bring them up. 7. Come on. Don't fall. 8, 9. Let's go. 10. Great job. Round 1 is down. You have one more round of everything we just did. Let's go get him, baby. Okay. 5. Want me to put this over by you? 4. Says she brung her meal. Hint, everybody. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, yes, very hard. That's what I'm talking about. I see the energy. 2, let's go. 3, 20-pound weighted ball. 4, slam it hard. 5, circle. I need to go up in the air and down. 6, circle, go around. You got this. Circle around your breast, around your stomach. Nope, that one did not count. Fifi Jones said, let's go, butterfly. There you go. 6, circle. 7, circle. Hey, Miss Henderson said, inspiring. Tamika said, work, beautiful. God is good. Let's go. 7, let's go. Circle. 8, make that circle. Yes. 9, circle. Let's go. 10, grab that ball. Let's go. 5, 4, you got this. 3, she got on the resistance band. 2, bring them legs up. You got this. 1, let's go. Lift them legs. Lift them up. Use that core. Bring them up. Come on. Bring it up. Pull up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring them high. 5, 6. Come on. Open. 7. Bring it open. 8, 9. Keep them up. 10. Great job. Last round. 10.
Wait a minute. Oh.
9.
Wait.
Don't worry. You'll be all right by 1. 8. 7. 6.
Go last, get him.
5. Say, you can do this. Yes. Go. You working with the best trainer in the world. Oh, thank you, baby. No, I'm just reading comments. I love to read the comments. Let's go. 3. 2. Nothing fun. Go get him. Come on, make them all count. Make them count. 1. Make that circle. 2. Yes. 3. 3.
Oh, it's heavy when you gotta pick it up.
4. Let's get him. 5. 6. Go get him. 6. You got this. Let's go. 7. Slam it hard. Make them count. 7. 8. Let's go. You got it, baby. You got it. 9. Let's go. Push through. 10. 5. 4. Stephanie said, hello. Fifi Jones said, you better get it, girl. Let's go. Challenge said, nice. Let's go. 5, 4, 3. Use that core. Bring them feet up. Push that ball up in the air.
Okay.
I love you too, baby. Let's go. Bring it up. Bring it up. Up. Don't start yet. Bring it up. Come on. You got this. Let's go. No, don't move yet. Just bring them up.
Ouch.
Yes. Ready? Set. Go. Let's go. Open, close. 1. Let's get it. 2. Come on. 3. Deep breathing. 4. Hold it right there. Out. Bring them up. That round don't count.
Get it out.
I'm telling you, you got this.
Oh, man. Okay.
Jackie said, get it, sis Tanya. That was Jackie Riffin. Let's get it, baby. 5. Stay with me. Don't climb into the light. You got this. They're rooting for you. Let's go get it. Push through. They up now. What was that? You couldn't give me that before?
Yes.
Keep them up. Go get them. 1. Open. 2. Pull it. 3. 4. Come on. 5. Push through. 6. 7. Hold it there. Open. 5. 4. Keep them up. 3. 2. Come on. Finish. 8. 9. 10. Great job. Great push.